Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to redeem code for YouTube Premium. To start, open your internet browser in your mobile device. On the internet browser, search for YouTube Premium, then hit enter. Then, tap on the first link that says YouTube Premium. Once you tap on it, you will now be redirected to YouTube application. Once you're here, click on Get Premium. Sometimes, in some cases, YouTube Premium is not going to be available for your country, like mine. But once you scroll down, in here you will see all the options and features of YouTube Premium. Now go back. Then open your internet browser once again and then search for YouTube Premium Redeem Code Free. In here, scroll down. In here, I will be reading one of the search results from the internet. The question is, how do I get a free YouTube Code Premium? To redeem your YouTube gift card or code, visit the URL listed on your gift card or go to youtube.com/redeem. Enter the code on your gift card, then click Next. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.